Hello my bunnies, welcome back. Today is the start of my Easter recipes here on my channel, and today we are starting with some carrot cake cupcakes. So last year I made a basic, the best ever carrot cake recipe, which is still the best carrot cake recipe in my opinion. So I'll have it linked in the cards right here, but today we are making cupcakes, and I think that they are so cute. So let's get started. Okay, so first to bake the cupcakes in a medium-sized bowl, combine some flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, ginger, and nutmeg. In a large bowl, beat some butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating with each addition. Then add some vanilla extract, some water, and some grated carrots, and beat until combined. Then add the flour mixture and some pecans, and mix together on low speed until everything is fully combined. Divide the batter between two lined muffin tins and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the centers comes out clean. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely. To make the frosting, beat the butter and some cream cheese with an electric mixer until it's fluffy. Add some vanilla extract and combine. Then add some confectioner sugar and beat until it's light and fluffy. Place the frosting into a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tip. Pipe swirls of buttercream onto each cupcake, and then top with a chocolate bunny and a candied carrot. And if you don't have access to chocolate bunnies, don't worry, because next week I'm coming out with a DIY chocolate bunny recipe. So as long as you have Amazon Prime and you have some chocolate in your house, you can make bunnies without needing to go find them from Lindt, because I had trouble finding these because you can't leave your house, and honestly chocolate rabbits are not an essential item. Is it worth risking getting coronavirus chocolate bunnies? Some may say yes, some may say no. I don't know, but I don't want to leave my house, so I found them on Amazon, but they were a bit tricky to find. So don't worry, I got you covered next week. And you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. Again, if you would like to see the carrot cake version, I'll have it linked in the cards in this video, as well as my Easter playlist, which will probably be linked down there for you. So definitely check it out. If you hear little feet, that is because my Pomeranian Paddington has his treat bag in his sight and he's scratching the floor, which means give me a cookie. Oh, I said the right word. Come here. Come here. Okay, you gotta show the world your cuteness, and then you can get a cookie. Watch. Do you want a cookie? Alright, anyways, I'll see you guys on Thursday for an all-new video. Bye!